Hi everyone, it's Ross here. I just want to share a video with you on how to upload your mailing list to your website. Firstly, you will need to log into your admin section of your website, and I've mine already open, so I'll just go straight there now. In the left-hand menu here, you'll notice there's an area down here called Users. And in Users, this is where all your contacts and lists would end up. If you click on Users, you can see everyone sitting here, and if I scroll down, there's a whole lot of different users with their email and names. These people could also be put into different user groups, so we can segment the market, which means that you could actually have different mailing groups for different bits of information. But in this instance, what I'm going to do is show you how to import your mailing list into one of these user groups right now. Your mailing list needs to be either sitting in a spreadsheet or an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file. To import one of these files, all you need to do is come up to the top here and click on this Import Data button. And once you click on that, it will allow you to click on an area where you can then click and choose the file. Once you click on this, it'll allow me to look on my desktop to find the file for my mailing lists. I've already got one sitting here that I'm going to import, so I just need to click on this and open it. What this does, it automatically will import the information for me to view to see if it's looking all right, and I can see there's an email here, the user first name and last name. What I would do in this type of data to import, I would like to select just the user, because this is all we're doing for it, is importing users. Once that is done, I can just click on the next button. In this section here, which is in step 2, I would like to click on the mailing list or the user group that I want these users or mail or lists to actually go into. So I'm going to select this existing mailing list as this particular list is an old mailing list that I've got, and I want to make sure I understand this is in a separate list compared to the new people coming in via the contact and inquiry forms. If I click on this, I select this list here, and once I've done that, I scroll down to the bottom and hit the next button again. At the moment, it tells me that all my data appears to be in good format. If it is not, they will show you which line in your spreadsheet needs fixing, whether it's the email's not correct or there's something wrong with the data. In this case, this spreadsheet is all good, so all I need to do is go to the next step and then click on import, and it is that simple. If I go back to the user groups, I can then open the existing mailing list, and I can actually see there are people sitting in here and they're in groups. But if I click on this filter, I can actually see how many people are actually have been imported into this existing mailing list, and there is actually 637 people just being imported into this list. And that's how easy it is to actually import your mailing list from a spreadsheet or a CSV file. If you need further help, what you can do is click on this help button and go to my manual pages, and this will open up our support website. If we, in the search box, place mailing lists and click on search, there will be a file here or a help file on how we can do that. Import your mailing list. If I click on this, I have an overview of and a step-by-step process on how I can select and import my users from a spreadsheet. If I scroll further down, it actually gives me a sample of the different column headings that I would need in the spreadsheet. Or if you go further down still, you can actually click on a sample to download, and you could actually use that mailing list template to fill out all the different users if you need to. And that's really how simple it is to add a mailing list to your website. I hope you found this video helpful for you, and keep a lookout for other helpful tips that we will be showing soon on video. Thank you very much and have a great day.